I'd like to start by saying I apologize for my hair. I'm still in quarantine and all of the haircut places are closed, so I can't get a haircut. So it kind of looks like trash. I just want to quickly say that I just installed the app and I used to have Lucky Orange, but it wasn't, it cost money. And right now my budget for my store isn't very big. So I was looking for an alternative because it was super helpful. Being able to see where people were going, what landing page they were landing on, like that them specifically, what landing page they were landing on, where they were going, the heat map, etc. I'm not sure if you have a heat map, but if you don't, that's a good suggestion because heat maps are really good. But the recordings are great too because you can visually see exactly where they're going and everything. And so far, it looks great. Everything, I mean, it looks wonderful. It doesn't add to my budget at all, so I don't have to spend more money to be able to get the features that I need to better my store, increase my sales and SEO, etc. So I just want to thank you guys. It's been great so far, and I will love to see where you guys take this in the future. Thanks.